guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to extract a manifest from an IPA and how to install a build from a manifest. This can be useful because Epic Games may remove the manifest, causing the IPA to stop working, and if the version wasn't archived, it will be lost. First of all, download Legendary, the .bat and the IPA you want. Put all the files on the same folder. Open the .ipa with WinRAR, and then go to payload Fortnite client.add open cloud content.json. Copy the path after manifest path. Now download any manifest and copy the download link. Then change the end of your download link to the path you copied before. Drag and drop the manifest on legendary install.bat. Then it should open a command prompt windows like this. Get the path where you want to install the build and paste it on the console. Optional. Select an option if you want. I choose HD texture so the game will be installed with this argument. Please be patient and wait for the installation to finish. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it and subscribe to my channel. It would make me really happy.
One eternity later.
Now, as you can see, the build is installed and you can use it normally. The build is big, it takes less than 5-bit. Everything is here, the packs. Thanks for watching. I hope this helped you, and have a nice day.